Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing today? This is the last video on my series on the Revly or Revly Biotin complex. So I wanted to share with you guys what my overall thoughts are about this product, the results of using this product or this vitamin, and if it's something that I will repurchase. So we will jump into it, but before I do, let me give a warm welcome to the newbies that decided to stop by and check out today's video. I greatly appreciate it. If you're new tuning in, please check out the beginning series of the videos that I've done on Revly to determine if this is something that you're interested in purchasing or not, and then, you know, go from there. So let's jump into it. So let's go ahead and talk about findings. I'm going to start with nails first, since that's one of the first things that you guys have seen in this video. So I think the last video that I showed you guys, I showed you how my nails were really doing really well. They were prospering, they were growing, they look very strong and healthy. I love them. And I must say that my nails were doing really well. But the last week of taking the Revly gummies, I noticed that my nails, a few of them started to become brittle and break, and so I had to start clipping off some of them, and so I went on and I clipped them on off. So now, as you guys can see, I have no nails here. Now as for my toenails, and y'all want to see my toenails, I clipped them too, because my toenails had start to get so long, you guys, and it's hot here, and I like to wear sandals, and I like to polish my toenails, and I like to work out, and so having long toenails is uncomfortable for sneakers to work out, and I'm definitely not going to walk around with bear claws on my toes and sandals. So I had to go ahead and I had to clip my toenails. But my toenails did extremely well, and they did grow. I think I had one toenail to break first, though, before I actually went in and just clipped them all off too. But other than that, toenails were fine. I did ultimately clip my toenails first, and then just yesterday, and I wish I would have recorded what my nails looked like yesterday, but just yesterday I went on and just clipped and filed my fingernails. Let's jump into hair, because I know that is the primary reason for a lot of people wanting to purchase biotin supplements in effort to assist them with hair growth. So as you guys can see, I do have braids, and I will be taking these down soon. But to give you an idea as to what my hair look like, as you guys can see, I have lots of new growth here. I can't even front you. Lots of new growth happening here, and this new growth is just a couple of weeks of new growth. So that white that you see there, you guys, I am starting to get a few strands of gray. So that's what that white is that you see. It's not any product at all. Also, let me share with you guys baby hair. So my baby hair here has grown a lot. It's gotten a little fuller. So I'm pleased with that. Now over here is the area where my baby hair seems to grow a little bit slower, and it's not as full and thick, but it's growing. Now let me show you guys the back where the tapered is, because my side tapered areas are braided, so you really can't see it other than the new growth there. I do think the supplement did play a part in some of that new growth that you see. So here's the back that I can't really grip because it's still somewhat short. It has grown as well. So now the next question that we need to tackle is this something that I will use again? So the next question is, did I benefit from using this product or using this supplement? I'm still kind of on a fence. I say yes and no. The reason that I say yes, because I definitely feel as though this supplement really helped with the growth of my nails, both fingernails and toenails, before I clipped them. But I didn't get a lot of longevity with my fingernails after I ran out of the supplement. So with the nails, yes, perhaps, yes. In addition to still drinking plenty of water. Hair. I must say that I did see some benefits of using this supplement using this supplement for hair growth. In addition to, I was still drinking lots of water. I got to stress that water. And I was also using Jamaican black castor oil as well. Okay, you guys, because I got to keep this scalp somewhat moisturized. So yeah, I guess I saw some growth within months time. I did see some growth within months time. Now, was it a whole lot of hair growth? I guess it was like hair growth where your hair go touch your shoulders. Girl, no. But I did see some growth. So yes, I feel like the Revly could have contributed to some of the hair growth. I definitely feel like it did do some great things with my nails before they became brittle and broke after the supplement ran out. Will I repurchase Revly again? I don't know, you guys, because I still feel as though that I've used other supplements where I saw tremendous hair growth in a shorter span of time versus Revly, versus the Revly. So I'm not so sure that I'll purchase it again. The only good thing I will say is the Revly is probably one of the most affordable hair supplements out there, or beauty supplements, or biotin supplements out there. I think online a lot of supplements can go as high as, I've seen it as high as like $80, $100. So if you're looking for something more affordable and you're not looking to see hair growth overnight, which hair growth is not always overnight, but if you're not looking to see anything right away, but you just want something to at least get that process started, Revly would probably most likely be the way to go. And again, it's affordable. It's affordable. The taste is great. I've come to learn that you can also purchase Revly in some of your local stores that I've seen online, as well as ordering it directly from Amazon. It's up to you. As well as ordering it directly online. It's up to you. But it is affordable. It's easy to find. And yes, you will see some hair growth. But remember, you have to drink plenty of water. And yeah, you guys, that concludes today's video and my journey with Revly. Smooches.